Hello everyone, this is Anirban Bhomik and I am going to discuss today the basic and fundamental concepts of an important branch of mathematics, which is trigonometry in this video. Trigonometry basically deals with the right angle triangles and relationship between the angles and sides of the triangle. So let us take this as a right angled triangle, and right angled at point B. ABC is our right angle triangle. Now let me first introduce the pillars of this branch of mathematics, trigonometry. Which are they? They are basically trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. In short, these are written as sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. These are basically operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, so they cannot be used alone. Rather, they takes as an angle as their argument. So this angle is written as theta. So these are the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are the trigonometric ratios. Now what is the theta? Theta may be the angle of this or this. Okay, now let us take this as theta. If we take this as our angle of interest, then it is the important point to be remembered that opposite side of this theta angle will be our height. Now opposite side of 90 is always hypo, so this is base. Now we define sin theta as height by hypotenuse, cos theta as base by hypotenuse, tan theta as height by base, cosec theta as hypo by height, sec theta as hypo by base, cot theta as base by height. So from this you can see why we have called these trigonometric ratios, because they are ratios of sides. Now if we look at these two, we will see that sin theta is none other than 1 by cosec theta. They are reciprocal. From this we can write sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. So this is an important relation. Similar relation hold for cos theta and sec theta, tan theta and cot theta. They are also reciprocal to each other. Now if we calculate sin theta by cos theta, what we will find? We find sin theta is height by hypo, cos theta is base by hypo, so height by base, which is tan theta. So sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Similarly, we will get, if we calculate cos theta by sin theta, we will get cot theta. These two are very important relations. Now if we calculate sin squared theta plus cos squared theta using this relation sin cos, okay, so hypotenuse square will be the LCM and we will get as abscissa height square plus base square. Now using Pythagoras theorem, height square plus base square is basically hypotenuse square, so we will get hypotenuse square by hypotenuse square, which is 1. So here is an important relation of trigonometry: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, which I am writing here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. Similar type of approach will give you cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 and sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. These are also very important relations. Now in practical purpose, this theta will have some values. In this level we take theta as acute angle, so theta may be value range from 0 to 90 degree, and all these trigonometric ratios have some specific values on specific angles. The table of these values is all provided in your books, but some of these values are of extreme importance and usage, so we remember those values. Now this is the list of values of different angles of sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now last three, these three rows are basically reciprocal of these first three, so last three is not to be remembered. Now the first three relations, in the first three relations we also see that if we remember sine values, we get cos values, like sine 90 is basically cos 0, sine 60 is basically cos 30, and so on. And tan values, for tan values we can calculate by doing sine by cos, as we have seen in previous slide, that's tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. And if we want to remember sine values using some trick, we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90, which are important angles, and then divide them by 4 and take square roots. This is a trick, we will get all sine values. Thus this table is to be remembered for evaluating different expression of trigonometry. Lastly, we are going to take a look on what is complement of these angles. Let us take this ABC as a right angle triangle, where this is 90 degree, this is theta. As sum of this all three angles is 180 degree, then this must be 90 minus theta. Now if this is our angle of interest, then this will be height. Now if we calculate sine 90 minus theta, what we will get? Height by hypo. So this is our height, angle of interest, opposite side of angle of interest BC by hypo, this AC, so BC by AC. Similarly cos theta, if we calculate cos theta, what we will get? Cos theta is basically BC by AC, because this will be then height, this will be then base by hypo, BC by AC is cos theta. So we can check that these are same, sine 90 minus theta becomes equals to cos theta. So these two are called complementary angles. Similarly cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, and tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. These two are also complementary angles. Thank you everyone.